Hello everyone, here we've got Honor Magic for Lite, and let me show you how to activate developer options here. So at first, open the settings, then go to About Phone and locate build number. So here it is. Now tap on it 7 times, then provide your screen lock password, and as you can see from now on you're a developer. So let's go back, and now you can find developer options under System and Updates. So here developer options appeared, click to open, and you can smoothly use all the features, all the options here, just by tapping and then entering your code. You can use all of them, and then to switch the developer panel off, just unmark the stop switcher. As you can see, it disappeared, and you will have to perform the same trick again to activate your developer options. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.